It was pretty funny when Neil gave us the see you later alligator. That's true. Yeah, it was my fault. Okay. You're 6 because TCP. What? Or yours what? Well, so let's see how long this takes. Git add. Git commit dash n. Bump number for test. Git push. I just want to know how long it takes before we get like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
If you want entertainment,
18,
go and watch clowns.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Whoops. 29, 30. Disable. I already have disable cache on. I didn't know that. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. I mean, it has to rebuild the whole thing, so I don't know how long it's going to take. It's on Cloudflare. I'll check it out in a sec. I'll look at it in 1 sec here. These streamers think they're teachers or something. Okay, well, it's like longer than 30 seconds. Is it like a minute? Are you guys getting 7? If you go to Top Shelf FM, do you guys get 7? Yeah, it's Cloudflare pages. Do you guys get a 7 in your console, or do you still get 6? Still 6? Okay. Oh, actually, you know what? This is a great example that I'm stupid, because I needed to run Dune build, and now the number's actually generated. This is a great reminder. Git add, git commit dash m, kek w actually bumped the number. There's a good reminder. It's a good reminder that that's what's happening. Okay, so now we'll actually get to test. 1, 5, 10, 15. Teach. Dang it! We've always been a counting stream. What did I even write here? I mean, look at this. I mean, look at this. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. I mean, look at this. 1, 2, 3, A. 7 out. Oh, that's pretty fast. That's pretty fast. Okay, cool. Nice. Are you creating a GitHub action to build on push? It already does that. That's pretty fast, actually. Am I wrong? That seems impressive. It has to rebuild the whole project and like npm install a bunch of crap and things like this too. Nice. That's pretty sick. We could probably make it even faster if we just like vendored everything into here, which is kind of like what we're doing, but that's cool. Nice. Azure DevOps can do that. Azure DevOps can do that. Wow, cool. And is this an OpenAI wrapper? Next up, deploy on save. Now we're talking. That's what we had before. Okay, let's look at Mint Lane really quick, and then we'll get back on track. Programming with writing simple single-page applications. State. Next. Sends you to the next state or something. Interesting. That seems interesting. I mean, I don't really have anything like to think about this. This looks pretty similar to like stuff I can do with ocaml right now. Batteries included. That looks cool though. Okay, so now, chat, can everybody see the vision? Is this a broken language? Does not work and cause a lot of work to Theo? I don't know. Visual styling is actually kind of nice. Conditional styling. I missed it. What did they do for conditional styling? Conditional. You can even use if. Oh, yeah, that's okay. I'm a Tailwind Andy now, though, so it doesn't really matter for me. I'm a Tailwind Andy, mostly because otherwise Adam.dev gets mad at me. So what can I do? What can you do? It's like sometimes you just got to take one for the team. You implement Tailwind because that's what your team asks you to do. So I do Tailwind now. Okay, so now this is actually awesome. Because now I can just go like this. Dune build -W. Right? And now we can go here. And if we're running something like this, we smack that bad boy here and we get the 8 immediately. We hit it again, we save, we get the 9. So I don't understand the point of Tailwind. I actually already, if you didn't understand what the goal of Tailwind is, it's actually a PSYOP for ultra-wide monitor companies, keeping them in business. So that's actually why. That's why it exists. Right. So like if you didn't know, here's the source. Now you know. Chemtrails of the modern era. Why are we shouting out Dax? Tailwind is serious. Is error is serious error. Oh, that's funny. Dax was unhappy about being timed out. Oh, nice. So we helped him out. Okay, got it. All right. So this actually works flawlessly. Was Dax saying this is exactly the thing that I told you was going to happen if you did the thing? Because he did mention that this was possible to do, but it's okay. All right. Thought it was Java. No, Tailwind definitely keeps things wider than Java. Okay. So where are we now? Where are we now? Where are we now? Right. I remember now. We on our create styles before class. He said he's getting real world ramifications for fake violence. That makes sense. I want to create something. Oh, okay. Of course. We need to create a new action here. I'm pretty sure where we can do something run system set and input output echo with outputs 2 standard out control structures diff comp prog and concurrent is maybe it's one of these. No, I don't think so. I want to do something like run program run. There's got to be an action where we're running echo. I think this run here, run program args. Let's test this out, okay? I want to go to Dune. I want to go to lib. I want source Dune, and I want to create a new action. And this action I want to run. I want to run something like generate episodes, something like this, episodes. Okay, and that's all I wanted to do. Unknown constructor action. Okay, so we can't just do an action. User actions always subdirectory of Dune the file, and so it's defined source will be run from build context source foo. Got it. The argument action is small DSL. DSL is currently quite limited. Do I need to make a library or a module for this, or a rule? I think I want to make a rule. Oh, let's go back here. I don't remember how to do this. This is one that I haven't tried in a while. Rule? Using rule generation. How to install Dune, automatic formatting, generate files. Nope. Because here's what I want to trick. Here's what I want to trick Dune into doing for me. I want to run some ocaml file that takes our RSS feed and then generates a different file, and then we load that up and like we bundle it. Yeah, well, okay. Well, anything you can do with JavaScript, you can do with the generated JavaScript. It's like regular old JavaScript. There's nothing special about it. Maybe reference manual, Dune, library, rule. That's it. Rule. Rule has no target specified. Target. Got it. So we say we want to go target is, let's say, episodes.ml. Okay, like this. We're going to go generate this, and we're going to go depths. Generator, gen exe. Ooh, okay. Depths. Bin. Generate episodes.ml. Boom, 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 boom. Generate episodes. That's not a valid one. Okay, we can go like this. Generate episodes. I don't remember if this is right here. No rule found for source bin. Bin. Ooh, I gotta go like this. Bin. Generate ML. Ooh. Not found in tree or path. Context default. Okay. How do I say what I want to do? Depths. Generator here. Can I go like this? Bin. Or we can just go depths. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's VS Code, chat. Mods? How do you handle your RSS feed? I don't know yet. That's what we'll do later. You're looking very vibrant today. Hey, thank you. Whoa. Exactly. Chat. Family-friendly stream. Please don't say VS Code uncensored. Hey, is this everybody's first time chat here or something today or what? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. O is target. So we want to do something like this. And we want to say run target like this. Now we go back to here. We need to get our first oh no, this is, we can, ooh, I remember with standard out. There's like with outputs too, right? With standard out too. Redirect the output of file where outputs is one of standard out, standard or outputs for both standard error. Action with here. Can I go like this? With standard out to target, run this. Okay, so now I'm wondering, do we have source generated? Source. Permission denied. Bin generate episodes ML. Okay, so this needs to be exe maybe. Fatal error. XML white error is not found in data RSS XML. That's not the right path now anymore. Or I need to include it as the file. Data RSS XML. Something like this. Bin here. Oh, maybe we should just move this. We should just move this over to here. Probably would be even simpler. But let's just see if we can sort this out. And then we'll do this. So it's like RSS XML. Let's go here and let's go syntax error. Oh, nice. It's working. Episodes ML. Where is it putting it though? Episodes ML. Oh, it's just not. It's not getting there because it's not right yet. We're almost there, chat. Print. Fumped. Let this is print and line hello world. Okay. Oh, wait. Generate a source. Oh, so this just go directly. This only goes into build default. Sorry, chat. I'm kind of locked in right now. It's working. It's working, okay? It's work. If mod's locked in too. Yeah, they're locked in. Don't worry, I got this. Boom. Okay. Run depths now also has the XML file. I think it's fine. I don't think it does anything. It's working just fine. So the next thing we need to do here, though, is when we go back to... Let's go back to here. I think we need to promote this, though. Is there a promote? Echo, what's standard and from? Ignore outputs, cat, copy, write file, write file. Oh, what's the... Oh, someone asking about Vim versus NeoVim. What's up, Nishidori? Good to see ya. Can action not have promote? Do I do this from promote? Dune promote. Let's see what happens. Do I have it now in my source? No, I don't. Dang. Maybe there's like promote until clean. Dune build. Promote. Unknown field promote. With target to target episodes SML. Maybe it's in maybe it's in target. Let's go back to target. Or as we like to say, target, where I'm from. Targets. I blame Dave. What's up, Dylan? Dylan, have you done this before? I was trying to generate so I have this action that's generating something here, right? And we properly build this file. So if I go to like my build default source episodes, we are building this file. But I don't know how to actually promote this. Maybe I need to say that this depends on this. Apparently mode promote. Where though? Mode promote here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh, nice. Okay, promote. Modes. Oh, each rule can have a mode. Gotcha. Until clean means that Doom clean will remove the promoted files from the source tree. Into dir means that the files promoted into dir. So as when Doom 1.8, and only means only subset of target. Then how can I say... Okay, so now... Did I post the link? Am I a joke to you? Well, I wanted to get there myself, Johnny. I wanted to get there myself. So now let's go back to our bin, generate episodes. Let's make something like this. Let's say module... Oh, whoops. No, I want to do this one. Yeah, we'll do this. Module test episodes. Something like this is struct end with let x equals 5. Okay? We're gonna pop that bad boy out. We'll get source episodes. Okay, boom. Boom. Okay? Okay, chat? So now, hear me out. Hear me out. Right? Maybe this is a dumb idea, actually. I don't really know. Let me just hodl for a sec. No, this is a good idea. This is a good idea for sure. It's a good idea for sure. It's a good idea for sure. Because now we can write all the episodes into this file, right? And what I hope I can do is inside of source, and let's go back to our, like here. Let's go here and let's say episodes dot episodes dot x. Okay. So now when I go back to this page here locally, I should get 5. And if I were to change this to 6, that's going to reload. Let's go, chat. Let's go. 10. Boom. 10. Let's go. So, this is why Dune is so freaking cool. Okay? Because what are we doing? We're running some ocaml code before we get to the point where we can build our other stuff. Dune just figures that out for us automatically. Right? So it says, oh, I see. I need to run this because this thing depends on episodes ML. So this runs this, which depends on these 2 files. If we change anything in these files, then Dune will run this and sort it out. Bigger fan of Dune Part 2. That's funny. Plus 5. Boom, 15. Boom, undo. Down to 10. Hot reload in the browser. Let's go, chat. Let's go. All right. So the next thing that we need to do, is actually write these out in a way. We need to write them out in such a way that we can actually, like, we can read it. Right? So we go back to our generate episodes one. I'm confident that someone who knows what they're doing is going to say that this is dumb. Right? But that's okay. I don't care. I don't care. Some people said it was a dumb idea to start a podcast with Prime because he's going to forget and not show up. Didn't stop me. Do you know what I mean? We walk through this code with Prime? That would be fun, yeah. So basically the entire thing is going to be XML to JSON converted. No, because we're going to convert it directly into ocaml stuff. Not dumb, because he doesn't need to read for a podcast. I know, that's youtube.com @topshelf.fm. I'm going to post some more videos here soon. You know the PrimeGen can't read, but now you can finally watch him listen. Don't worry, TeachDV is here to help with coherent questions.
Oh, but I'll call it Osamo. Oh.
Guys, the amount of roasts that I'm gonna hide in different spots, because I know Prime is not gonna remember that we have a podcast, it's off the charts. You know what I'm saying? What's X Gaming? It's a group of streamers that are gonna try and do stuff on X, basically, from X and other things like this. Yeah, Top Shelf FM. You can't really see this image very well, but it's pretty good. It's me carrying Prime, of course, Terminal Coffee here, and us watching ourselves there. Shoot, who made this for us? Was it Kay? No, who made this? Oh, no, now I'm choking. No, it was Ayla. Pretty sure. I have all of the tweets bookmarked later. Did you get your LSP working with Dune Dev Preview? Yeah, of course, Dylan. As long as you can hide it in text, Prime ain't reading that. That's exactly what I'm saying. Should I release a new video on here right now, chat? Should I release a new video right now? I've got another one ready. Let me go to studio. What is X Gaming? That's what I just answered. It's a small group of streamers X asked to basically like help them get streaming better on X. We'll go public. Done. And then I also need to say link to podcast. We need to just actually get the link to that podcast, though. Top Shelf podcast. This one right here. How do I link to this episode exactly? Nice. URL. Wow, that's a long link. But what can you do? Save. Changes saved. Do we have a video out now? I thought. Okay, hodl. public. It's publishing, I think. We're probably pretty low on YouTube's, like, it's just like 2 video. Oh, it says 2 videos. We're getting there. We stream games. No, it'll probably get switched later, just becoming like X Live or X Stream. Is anyone else getting a video showing up here? Not yet. At some point YouTube will upload this. This is the problem. We got too many course problems. We got so many course problems. I don't think so. Oh, can I do related video now? Can I go this? Oh, nice. Save. And I can also do that for this one. Related video. Nice. Save. And then I can go... We can just make this one public too. Publish. Should stream with you in Prime? He actually seems really nice, friendly. Why is he combative on... I don't think he's that combative. I think a lot of people are combative with him. Oh, nice. There we go. Sick. I don't know why it didn't show up here. I don't know what's going on with this. This channel doesn't have any content. It says I've got 3 videos. Nice. So there you go. I don't know why it's not showing up there, but you can go watch the video right here. Smash subscribe, of course. Anyways, what were we even doing before this? Like, a bunch of people just tell DHH he's an idiot and like none of his things work and they don't scale. And then he was a millionaire very early. So like, it's just sort of like one of those things can't be true. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't have any content. Oh, I guess I can check it. Like, I'm not saying everything he says is right or something, but like clearly they scaled enough for it to work, right? Like, people use his products. And I think he was much more of a jerk earlier too. He said he's chilled out on a lot of those, the way that he thought that he was doing it before, right? So I'm not saying, you know, home tab, show your channel to highlight and showcase content for you. Videos, past live streams. I have it literally set so that it should be doing videos and then shorts, and then we'll do for you like this. Publish. I don't know. Whatever's weird. I don't know. I'll figure that out later. Maybe it's just like, it's just queuing things up for a little bit. Doesn't really matter. Okay, chat. So here we go. We're going to turn this XML code into OCaml code. Which means also we probably should yoink all of these. I think it's amazing that people easily and someone submits integratable piece of OSS. People, I actually just said this earlier today as well, and I'll stick by the statement that there are lots of people who, not saying everyone whose criticism of DHH is because of this, but there are a lot of people who are allergic to success. So it's just like, the more successful someone is, the more some people will just hate them for no reason. It doesn't even matter. Yeah, exactly, Pascal. Yeah, like all my projects, it seems like it worked, you know? So I feel like a lot of it's the same. Obviously, they do some. I'm success intolerant. Yeah. That's why everyone hates you. Growlix, exactly. Everyone's just allergic to your success. Okay, so we need to make a... I almost want to put this whole thing into feed or something. Source? Because we need to actually be able to import this into a package. I think I should be able to go like this and make a feed. Put a Dune file here. Put a library. I forget this one every time. I use oil, yeah. Library. Feel the audio on DHH is low or just me? At the beginning, something was weird with my audio. I don't know what happened, but I think the rest of it should be fine. Ruby cool again? Was it ever cool? I don't know. Library. Name. Let's go feed. Will this work? And let's go ahead and do, let's just say feed ML. I don't know, something like this. Bin, generate episodes. I want to yoink all of those into here. This will say, yo, dog. That's not going to work in a second. This doesn't exist yet. Yep. And preprocess. Yep. That's good. And then we need to go to something like bin here. And then can I put for here libraries? Can I say feed? Will that work? And then can I go open feed? Nice. This should have awesome. Let's go. Ruby's fantastic. Like writing bad slow code should be your number one choice if that's your metric. That's the reason, which I mean, like, it's funny, you know what I'm saying? Like that's a funny thing to say, obviously, but that's probably why DHH gets like he gets into fights with people and why people don't like him. Because you're like, oh, you're just writing bad slow code. It's like, well, people are willing to pay for it. So I can respect that. You know, he's like, oh, literally the meme with the guy wiping his face with the money, you know? But then he also loves Ruby. So it's like a double whammy, I feel like, of a like thing to say against him, right? Which is like, he loves Ruby and he's super successful with it. So when people say like, one, you can't be successful with it and it's terrible, I can understand. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to generate... I prefer no code over slow code. That's why I didn't start or finish any of my projects. Many such cases. What are the languages? Crystal, obviously. Okay, 6. So this is updating. Look at this, chat. I hit this. I go here. Boom. Never mind. Python. But for of the male variety. I wasn't gonna say it, but I just man. All right. Dang it, chat, you're getting me distracted. Okay, so we have RSS. So what are we gonna do with this, right? We're gonna say, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna write open feed. This probably won't work though, because now we don't have that working. So we need to go to source Dune, and then we need to say that this also depends on feed, which if feed is in fact a rewrite, it should have been called kind px writer. Oh, whoops, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to put this here, feed. Modes, melange. Can I have it be both? Interesting. I put this here, modes, melange. But then I also probably need it like native or something like this, right? The library film is not compatible with Dune, not compatible with Dune meta template, test driver not compatible with Melange Sport. Fumpt. Oh, okay, so I can't use Fumpt for it. Okay, that's fine. Some libraries we can't do. And we probably can't do this either. Library PBX and runtime was not compatible with Dune or is not compatible with Dune, but oh, okay. I don't know. Maybe Antonio is going to need to help me with this one. Oh, we don't need any of those in this. We don't need any of those here. Open feed. Unbound module feed. Can I also say native like this? Can it be both? What is modes? I need to look up modes again. When do we syndicate? This is what Dave has been working on? Okay, got it. So can I not do this? Do I need to make 2 separate libraries that share the same thing? Standard, fallback, promote. Where, like, I think you can check the server reason react. This one. Okay. There's somewhere in packages, maybe. Maybe like URL. It seems like one that could work for both. JS and native. Okay. Has anyone said Julia yet? Took me a while. Nice. I don't know where I would. I guess we can look for library. You're my favorite between you and. Hey, thanks, Ash. I appreciate that. Folder contains 2 library name modes melange copy files. JS, copy files, shared JS, shared native, modes native, okay, copy files. Compiled by melange shared native is compiled by ocaml native. Got it. Okay, so this is where I have to do something similar like this. So it turns out handling the melange guys in different countries is great as an American because Spaniards are even louder. That's funny. So shared native, shared JS. Is this not, but it's not the same code. Universal JS/Dune. Okay. Oh, I see. So he's got literally the same files here. And he goes back to here and he just includes all of them. Got it. So he's like, okay, this one. I got it. Yeah, this is a huge letdown. At the current time. I get it that we're like working on fixing it, but that's a pretty big letdown. You know what I mean? Like all I have here is basically like I just have like type definitions, right? Which is like, okay, we can do this trick here where we have like JS and then this just literally copies the files. Okay. I get it. Yep. But that feels pretty sad. I feel sad about that situation, you know? I think they've, how long ago is that touched? I don't know. Looks like Lisp. Well, it is Lisp. That part I like. Maybe in Reactor there was one. Correlation. But I don't know there because there's like, it's got all the crazy like. Server name, reactor and libraries, this, blah, 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 remote.native, realm.native. Okay, so we go to here. Or was that in remote? Browser and native. Okay, we check them out. Dune. Is it just literally copy pasted or he wrote 2 different ones here? Looks like he wrote like 2 completely separate things, right? Oh yeah, they're like completely different pieces of code. Well, that's pretty cool. Interesting. The like Failwind thing, yeah, it's I think it's done as I'm gonna do for it. I'm gonna make a video about it sometime in the next month or 2. I don't know. I'm finishing up everything for boot dev course. And then we'll be back to making some more YouTube videos, which will be nice. Okay, so I'm too noob. I'm too noob at this. Let's actually make like a packages thing here. Whoops. Actually, let's call it PKG. It's kind of nice. Okay, so now this is going to be like super scuffed here. We have feed. And we can do something like... So we go feed. Okay, so I have to... I mean... This one is not so bad. Like this option is not terrible, but we can go boot dev wth topic git what? No, I'm finished. I'm like done with my memory management course there. Like only 800 files later or something like this. Something crazy. We have a lot of lessons. I'm very, very happy with the result. I just have to record some more videos, and we're gonna do a few more, just like some editing passes and stuff before we release. All right, so this is basically like, okay, we take this, we go to here, we say package, and we say feed. Demo shared JS. I still don't. How many lessons? Yes. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know exactly what it is. It's a lot of lessons though. This we are using Melange. Do you want to share a library between your server element code and your client Melange code? Yes. But I'm trying to figure out, like, I just want to do something really simple, which is like, maybe I just can't use this preprocess thing here. Maybe that's the main problem. Open feed. Episodes, Dune. Unused open feed. Oh, okay, that one's fine. Yeah. Okay, so we just won't do that. We'll just do like let. We just won't do that for now. That's fine. All right. So instead what we'll do is we'll just print these off manually or something, and we'll sort this problem out later. So what do I want to make? I want to make a what do I want to make for episodes? We want to get a list of episodes, right? So right now I can just write one. Let's just pretend that we can do one, right? Which is like, okay, we have like let episodes, which is going to be like an feed in item list. I guess we really don't even need to do that. We should just go like let channel feed.channel is equal to title hello, whoops, hello, description, world, link, example.com, items, and we'll just do an empty list right now. And we'll delete that. And then now we don't have episodes X, that's fine. And then we can we don't need this open feed, that's fine as well.
Is actually my favorite.
We go back to here where we go to hello. And we don't need to do that anymore either. We can just say like that. We go to our main JSX. We have a dumb app thing, which we won't want to do anymore either. That's our visitors count. This is just JavaScript. Disgusting. Episodes. We'll say, let's go, instead of going here, we'll go and do button MLX. This. Okay, so I just want to make something very simple right now. So we have episodes. It looks like this. That part's good. That's great. Do you like OC? Yeah, it's good so far. Will Top Shelf podcast be live on Twitch? Yeah, we'll still always live stream it on Primes. Do the same boot dev courses as topics as Prime and just fight between the courses. Ooh, I like that actually better. That's a good idea. That's a great idea, really. Okay, so let's go to our app JSX, use states. This one's all stupid. It doesn't even matter. We'll just say a podcast.mlx, right? Okay, so we're gonna go here and let's go to this, and we can say this here, and we'll go let default is make, and then let's say something like div this is a podcast. Okay, whoops. React string. Open React, and we can just do this. Okay, awesome. And we don't really need title either. That's fine. What? Oh, then we need to go like this, I think. Yep. Awesome. Okay, so now inside of here, we should be able to go to our main JSX podcast, and that won't work. It'll say, hey dog. I'm pretty sure, at least, right? Won't that fail? Why didn't that fail? Shouldn't that be giving me like a yo dog? That doesn't exist. podcast, or is it like available? I don't think so. Import podcast from generated source podcast JS. Right? If we go to podcast, oh, capitalized. Okay, right. What? Oh my goodness, that's because I'm not on the right page. Oh, that's funny. Okay, I wasn't on the right page, chat. Relax. All right, I wasn't on the right page. I was on my real website. It's on my real website. Orwa, hey, thanks for the tier 1. I appreciate that. As well as Merked. 20-month streak is what? And Vincer, hey. No brain. Called it. Pokey W. Classic stream. Classic stream. Really. This is a podcast. That's all you need to know, boys. That's all you need to know. Okay, so we just don't even need this or this anymore. We don't need that. We can go back to app JSX. We just delete it. I don't care. Class name is card. Ooh, it's kind of nice. Put this back in the center or what? Doesn't do. Oh, right, because that's from fake CSS card. I ain't doing that, man. We ain't doing that. Delete this and delete this. Yes. We can say flex, call center, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't matter. Nice. We got Tailwind now. Don't worry. Our real thing is Tailwind. I don't know anything about it, but I just let the AI auto-complete it. You know what I mean? That's really all you need. That's all you need. Oops. How do I make it take the whole page? I thought it was like W full or something like this. What is going on here? Why does this look so bad? Chat, what do I need to do? Hit me. Oh, we don't want index J. Oh, wait, no, we do want index CSS. Tailwind LSP does work. I think so. W screen. W screen makes sense. This is a W stream. Should I put that or no? I can't tell if it's working or not. Is it working? We're on our local one, right? W screen. Now the real question is, does our Tailwind thing pick this up? Flex. W full, H full. Got it. The container is smaller. Ooh, the initial container. Strict mode, root, render, podcast, create root. I don't know. Index, CSS, Tailwind, base components. Div ID root is not getting the full width of the screen for some reason. Okay, well, we can go to main JSX. Do I need to go here? Podcast? Where is the... Oh, index HTML right here. This guy needs to be like class is W screen, something like this. Will that work? Ooh, hey. Now we're talking. This is a podcast. Now, the next thing we need to do for this to be a modern website is we need to add some really annoying CSS animations that take over your scroll wheel and make it really impossible to read anything on the page. So we could just ditch all of this text-based stuff and go straight to CSS animations. You know what I'm saying? That seems kind of like our best move. Anyone an expert in that? Or I think you're supposed to do W full and not W screen because of the... Okay, we'll do W... Whoops. Full. Use canvas text rendering. Thank you. Exactly. Yep. Okay. So now we've got this going on, right? And so chat, if you're knowing the things you've noticed, this is in XML. Not really. It's in ML without the X, but it's MLX instead of XML. It's a little confusing. There's Lox's, X's, and M's and L's today. But which is confusing because you just stream. Like I said, it's a W stream. But we say this is a podcast. Look, exclamation, boom, we're there. What is 2018? Just render a TUI on a canvas. Someday we'll get there, right? I don't think I need this div anymore. Right? Yeah. Okay. I don't even think I need this either, probably, right? That's probably unnecessary. Not even rendering. Make an ocaml wasm canvas open GL rotating stuff. We could get ocaml to wasm, but I'm just finally figuring out. How to make a JavaScript thing. So you don't need flex either. Just text center. Well, we're gonna do some stuff with it later. Okay, so this is a podcast. So next thing we need to do is we need to say we want to render. Yeah, it's fine. We're gonna get there later. It's okay. We now have our episodes ML. So right now we have title. While we're at this, we may as well change our bin as well to do these correctly. Bin generated episodes. So let's go ahead and do. I don't know what the easiest way for me is to put this inside of here. I think I just go like this. I think I just go here. We go %s, and %s. And then we just go RSS dot title, RSS dot description, RSS dot link. Okay, right? So we do this. Now these will get printed off to here. When we go check our episodes. Nice. Yeah, let's put that there. Okay. Is the syntax okay? OCaml or reason? It's actually MLX, which is like JSX expressions in OCaml. All right, check it out, chat, right? So now we could say something like this. We go back to here and we're going to pass ourselves a channel, which is going to be a feed.channel. Okay, like this, right? Now we go back to where we make this in... Where are we actually making this? Actually, we don't even need to do this because we can just go let channel equals feed dot channel. Oh, no, episode dot channel. Like this, right? So this is a feed channel. So we can say this is a podcast. Well, actually, let's just go like this. We'll just say channel dot title. Right? Okay. So now we can go. Oh, we want to take all of this and put this here. Div. Whoops. I should like add Emmet to this though, probably, right? As string.channel description. The Prime Engine teach are on a quest to find the best possible technical speakers and ask the best possible questions we can find. You all know the Prime Engine can't read, so this is a great format for him to really shine. Teach is here to make sure that Prime knows who the guest is and also to interrupt Prime wherever possible. Oh, we're not going to do that. We're going to go class equals text small. Class equals text large. Oops, class name. Name. Is this not right? Why are these text sizes not different? Oh, am I just way zoomed in? Oh yeah, okay, nice. I was on 200%. Nice. Okay. I was on 500% for some reason. I don't know why I was zoomed in. I don't know why I was zoomed in that far. I was trying to relate to the zoomers. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah. 500x developer. True. I feel like I want to do this and we get like a... Oh, I don't have flame shot open. There we go. I want to do like this and get this quick. Unfortunately, I'm only a 5x developer. There we go. Boom. The amount of okay. So where were we again? All right, we're here. This is what our site looks like. It's really good. It's really good. It's really good. We want to make some nice like little outlines, probably like border white, right? Now this thing's gonna be too big, right? That takes up the whole screen. That's definitely not what we want. We want to make this like only take. We definitely don't want that. We don't want H screen. I want something more like this. I don't know what we want to do exactly. I don't know. H 1/3 like this. H1 instead of div for accessibility improvements. H1. Look. Fine, I'll do it, chat, just for you guys. Okay. We want to nice screenshot. It's flame shot, yeah. Do canvas for accessibility. I'll keep that in mind next. All right. What do we even want this to look like, chat? I have no idea what I want it to look like. You know what I mean? Like I don't even know what I want it to look like at all. Oh, I just did height 1/3. Well, yeah, height full. We want the height to be full, right? Oh, no, that's horizontal. Height. What is wrong? Anyways, okay. H full is only the max height of your parents. Oh, okay. How did we have this before? Did we have this differently? All right. So anyways, that's fine. So let's go here. And then let's go ahead and try and do, what do I want to do next? We want to get each of the episodes, right? So we need to make module episode, struct, end. Can I go like this? At React component. Can I do this as well? We do let make. We'll say episode. Feed dot item. Sure. We'll just keep everything here. No, that's not what I want at all. Div. Let's go string episode title like this. That's all we'll do for right now. Can I do inside of here? Episode. Syntax error. Expecting type component A element. Syntax error. Oh shoot! I should not call this episode. We should call this episode component or something. Let's just do like comp. Just so that make sure I don't accidentally override anything here. Syntax error. What did I do wrong here? Can I not do this inside of here? Was expecting episode feed item element, but it's just type a component. Think he will list UL and LI? Yeah, I probably will. Is it optional? No, it's not optional. It should be. I don't think I need to do this. I should say episode. Make episode. Maybe I need to do. Oh, I need to do this. I think I need to put it here. Feed item list. This is not a record type. Let channel. What? 19. Let first episode is channel items 0. Did I not call it items? Item list. Oh, right. Because oh, I'm stupid. Yeah, we can't do that. This will error too. What do I want to do here? Doesn't list return the first episode of a list? Oh, this no, this already isn't an option. What am I doing here? First episode should be a feed item. Episode should be here. Episode, first episode. Feed item. There's no field first episode within type feed item. Yeah, I know. I did a list, not an array. I know. Yeah. We're just making XSS instructions. Oh, yeah. Wait, can I just do... Oh. I didn't realize inside of here I can just... That makes sense, because everywhere else I just do them directly. Okay, yeah. So we can say episode... Okay. That's why. So that's what it's complaining about. Right, so this will error now because we just don't have this. We didn't put enough episodes inside of here, so we need to add an episode, which is feed, which is like title. Title is episode 1. Description is episode 1 description. Summary is episode 1 summary, and link is this. Okay, so now we got it, boys. Thoughts on Lualine? I don't really have any thoughts about it. I don't use it, so I don't have any thoughts about it, really. Perfect. So if we added, another one of these, right? Like this. Episode 2, episode 2, episode 2. And we go back to here. So now we need to go back to... we need to go back to the podcast here, right? I don't know how I'm supposed to do a list of these. I gotta go look up... I don't know how I'm supposed to put a list of them in here. Nice hat, thanks. Dylan, you don't happen to know, do you? Wasn't paying attention. I don't know. So like, let's say I want to do this for each of the episodes, right? So I want to do something like let's do like let episodes right, episode components is something like list map this here, something like this, right? And we have like fun app is like this, and it's like episode make episode here. Episode feed item JSC. All right, I can't even do this. I want to do something like, oops, I want to go like this. Episode comp episode, like this. So now there should be an element list into React list. Okay. React list. But I don't think that's the thing. I see you're in founder mode, so power up into lurk mode. Nice. What's up, Rackery? It's a banger hack come with a fanny pack. Mine's big. I didn't get a fanny pack with it, but yeah. It's already an element list, right? Like it's already an element list. So can I just put this? Can I just put this as? Oh, I just say list here, right? I say episode components like this. Like this kind of idea, right? Or it's like, can I just do this? Type element of this was typing strike. It's array, right? But it's vector type array. Do I need to do this? I think I need to do this instead. Float. I think list is not one of them, right? which honestly, we should just change this to an array here. And then we change gen to here. And then we'll just make this an array too. Right? That's just this syntax. Something like this. And we can just get rid of this and we can say array map, right? Like this instead. Generate episode items. Generate episode. Oh, right. This one won't work now because this needs to be list, filter, array to array. Like this. Nice. Okay. Yeah, that seems good. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just work with arrays then instead the whole time. Which I think is like perfectly reasonable, right? Episode 1. Episode 2, chat. Right? So go back to our episode component here. We, of course, are going to make more divs. That's all I know how to do, right? Class name, text large, something like this, right? And then div. We can say string episode dot description. Whoops, like this. And that's not, whoops, class name. There we go. Yeah, it makes sense, right? Because it's like you shouldn't pretend they're not arrays because that's what they are in JavaScript. So it makes sense. I'm down for that. I'm down for that. Boom. Oh, yeah, now we're talking. Now we're talking, chat. Should definitely learn about anchor tags and img tags. What do you mean? Sweet. We're pretty much done, obviously. Each list should have a unique key. Makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna link to the episode. Yeah, of course. Of course. Don't worry, we're gonna link to the episode. Yeah, I know about img. I've done img before, Chad. Don't worry. Okay. So when we have this though, we should make a key, right? This is like kind of like one of those things where it's like we're not really doing React, so why are we saying this? I don't even care, but we'll do it anyways, right? Episode comp. I think I can just put key is array map, and we can just go array map I, right? And we can go string or format as printf episode and this takes a I like this. Really? That's the... Oh, I don't get... Right, I'm not going to get any, like, really formatting inside of here for this one. Because I don't have that set up yet. Okay, that's fine. Indexes as key is an anti-pattern. Well, watch me do it anyways. Now what have you got to say for yourself? Do we have a... If we have an ID in... If I have an ID inside of here, I'll use it. Item, title, description, link, permalink, GUID. We'll get the GUID, okay? We'll get the GUID and we'll use that instead.
Okay, ask me what 9 times F is.
We'll get the GUID and we'll use that instead. We'll get the GUID stuff. We can almost do this. This part's so annoying. I don't have a good... You got a good way to take an ocaml index or an ocaml like array of and print it out in a way that it can be read back. Does show do that by default? I want to just literally print it like in a way that it can be read back again. Like serialized into an ocaml file. GUID stands for GigaChad user ID. That's what I heard as well. That's what I heard as well. Yeah. Okay, so we need to go here and we go ID is 1. And we'll go here and we'll do this as 2. And this should still be working. Great. Now we go back to podcast. Now instead of doing key here, we just do this. We get rid of this. We do this. We put this here and we say key. Can I just put key here like this? Key is episode.guide. No, it's not the guide, just ID. Is it still upset now? Each child in a list should have a unique key prop. So I thought that this would do this, but this puts it inside of another div, maybe? Rare OCaml programming stream, indeed. Evaluate every second episode differently, which can make it easier. You can find a good use for the index. Yeah. There's no great way to... Marshall is the quick and dirty solution, but won't work across OCaml versions. Don't care about that. Right, but I thought that this key... So this is putting it inside of some other shenanigan here. Ooh, do I need to put this like this, maybe? This probably does not help, like, otherwise, right? I should probably put these inside something inside of this. That makes sense, but each child in list should have this. So this episode component needs to have this, which would be like key is episode.id. Like this, I could do, right? Unbound field ID. Well, I know for sure that this is feed item, is just not in scope, maybe. Okay, nice. Okay, so then we can get rid of this, which makes sense. Yeah. Okay, whatever, it's fine. Whoops. Okay, cool. Well, you learn things and you learn them. Yeah, so you are basically the, like, what I'm doing here, which is, I know it's not a good idea, but I wanted to see if I could do it. I know there's better options, blah, blah, blah. I'm using, do you need let default equals make? Yes, this lets you import it as just like one component from here, which is kind of nice. Isn't there a neat shortcut and so on? I don't know. This seems fine. This just lets you import it from JavaScript land nicely. Oh, so here you go. So here's what I have. We have our source project here where we take this XML file, which I can update whenever, right? I just build it and it targets a an episode ML, right? So it just literally creates this file from here. And then we just go ahead and compile this to JavaScript, of course, right? Source episodes.js. Would you look at that? Like this. Boom. Wonderful. That's great. And then what do we do with this? Well, then we use this inside of our JavaScript. As soon as I push and commit this, or as soon as I commit this, we will get this just like uploaded. And since it all just gets bundled into a static JavaScript like blob, basically, then it'll just go and get uploaded to my to Topshelf FM with Cloudflare pages, which is pretty hilarious. So I can deploy OCaml. You know? Vite just bundles it all up into like one little JavaScript thing that gets loaded. So freaking hilarious, dude. This probably has some like, yep, here's my index, here's my JS and CSS files that get bundled up from Vite. That's it. You know? That's it. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool, I think. And it like actually works. So anytime I want to update the site, I just update that RSS and then I would build and then done. Well, the JavaScript should be the sequel to Heart of Darkness set in the modern day. Indeed. Have you looked into server Reason React yet? I have not looked into it a lot, mostly because I don't know anything about React. So there's too many acronyms for me to understand in those projects. I mean, I've like looked at the repo and I've read through some of the stuff. I don't really know what's happening though. Yeah. Just too many acronyms, don't know what's happening, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's see if we can get these showing up here. Also, where was the like top shelf, anchor FM. Where was my RSS one? Here. Does this now have 3 items yet or no? Item, item, item. There we go. So now we can take this. We can copy pasta this, right? We just paste in our new one. And then this would automatically rebuild here. And then we would get our updated items. But we just haven't figured out the easiest way yet to put each of these in here. So I'm just going to do this here, and we'll go let yeah, okay, so we can go items is array map, RSS items, fun item title. No, we're gonna go like item, and we'll just go thumped s is just print s. I forgot stir, right? And it'll look like this. And it'll just say ID is %s. Title is %s. This is like so dumb, but I don't care. Description is %s. Summary is %s. And link is s, like this. So we're going to format these to look like this. And then we're going to put item.id, item.title, item.description, item.summary, item.link. Okay, so now we have items, which is just a string array. And then can I also do array.concat or join? Is there like string.joint of concat array? Nice. Sep is here. Now we have item, should just be a string. RSS is still alive. Guys, I don't know if you realize this, like all podcasts still use RSS, and it's kind of a big deal. Like, I mean, people definitely %s, and we can go items like this. Okay. Now I think that should work. You could write a PPX that reads the RSS generates ML code, maybe with the quote syntax. Yeah, we could do it. Like, I mean, that's effectively what I'm doing, right? Right, is the only step different would be we would just say something like let episodes equals, or and then like do it. But this is like pretty close. DHH is creator of this, blah blah blah. Link. Okay, sweet. So here's 1, 2. But we have quote problems here. I was worried about this. Chat. Oh, that's because I'm stupid. I didn't even think about this. Can I go where? We can just go like this. Inner. Do I go like this? Do I say inner on both of these? Nice. I can do this, right? And we can go inner. I'll just do this. I'll just do this trick. Okay, cool. So now when we go to our site here, chat, we should get, here we go. Boom. Very fun language, right? You should check it out. Blah, blah, blah. Here's a big href, etc. No! Leonard? Scannerd. Okay, so here's where we're going to dangerously set some HTML, boys. Here's where we're going to dangerously set some HTML. Actually, for this, no, we don't need to. We'll just skip the summary for right now, and we'll go straight to the link. And we won't do description either. I don't care, actually. Why not? Who do I care? Why? Wait, why do I care? I'm the one who controls it. Dangerously write inner ocaml. I don't care. I'm the boss around here. Inner. Where can I do dangerously set inner HTML? Boom. Episode dot description. HTML string. I don't know how to do it. We have on the tag itself. Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to do for reason. I actually want to go Reason react. Dangerously set. Div style unsafe add prop. Is this what I need to do? Dangerously set. Where is it? React style. React DOM style. No, I don't want to do it with style. We can check. We'll check here. And we'll go dangerously set inner HTML lang reason. Dangerous. Nice. Dangerous HTML text. Got it. Dangerous HTML. Where are they getting dangerous HTML from, though? Dangerous HTML. Where are they getting this from? Oh, I need to do this. Dangerous HTML. Why are you setting it dangerously? Because I get it dangerously. Dangerous HTML. Where is this defined? Let dangerous. Ooh, nice. Okay. String. This is just a class with this. Object. End. Val. This. Can I do this? Expression HTML string JST. I don't know how that works. I actually don't know how to do this. Mel obj or similar. Okay. I haven't looked at Mel. I haven't looked at that. Or was just HTML to HTML. Yeah, but I can't just like Mel obj. Okay, use JST objects. Alternative JST objects, JST Mel obj, which generates this. The infix operator allows us to read this. Var John name. Okay, but that didn't show me how to actually use mel.obj. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Because this I can't do this. Mel.obj. Create a JavaScript object. Switch to ocaml syntax. Where is it? Can I do that? Can I do that on here somehow? Is there a way to switch between them? Top left. Okay, nice. Oh, I see. Okay, nice. Okay, sweet. Mel dot obj HTML equals HTML. Okay, nice. DHH is this. Here we go. Look at that, chat. Look it. I don't know why there's like a million. What is going on? What is going on with the rest of this? I don't know. Episode description. I don't know what the episode description. Oh, wait. Is it like class name is text white? I don't even know what it's supposed to be. Console.log episode dot. Whoops. Console log. Print end line episode dot description. So what does it say for DHHs, right? DHH, this is just a bunch of empty. Why is it just a bunch of empty? What the heck is this? Why? What is going on? What's up, real? Hello? Spotify? What am I supposed to do with this crap? I mean, this looks good. Did I just type a bunch of empty spaces at the end of this description for some reason for this podcast episode? I don't know. Let me go check. I'll go look right now. DHH. Details. Sure enough, I do have a crap ton of empty space at the bottom for no reason. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, yeah, I'll save it right now. I saved it right now. It should say the creator of Ruby on Rails. No, he's not the creator of Ruby. Don't worry, I just talked to him yesterday. Or 2 days ago. I wonder how long till that updates here. Because I just saved it, so at some point it should go away. Why are there spaces in my spaces? Can we use Ruby somehow? I'm thinking about it. All right, so now, chat, we need to say, we need to have something like kind of a little cute, like, href this kind of situation. We need a little, like, link emoji thing. Click here. Did that work? Oh, this is not gonna work. Like this kind of situation, right? What am I getting here? Oh, click here. But it just takes me to my main. Oh, that's because this isn't the right link. That's just to here. I want Atom link. Anchor FS, this one here probably. Where does this take me to? No, that takes me to the RSS feed. Atom link, iTunes summary, iTunes type, iTunes image, iTunes owner. How do I take myself to exactly the MP3? MP3 here. Enclosure. Right, enclosure. That's what well, we probably want this one. Wait a second. Wait, why is this link garbage? What is the link here? Coding and competency. No, it looks good. Each of them is to the right thing, but it just takes you to here. That doesn't seem good. Have you written compiler in ocaml? I've written an interpreter in ocaml a few times. Link. This doesn't seem like what you want, right? Wouldn't you rather have? So here I'm inside my item here, right? We're here, summary, item, title, description, link. This link seems good on first glance, but it just takes you to the page. This gets you the MP3, which is good, I guess. Gets you an image, that's good. iTunes, season 1, episode 3, that's good. But like this image kind of seems like it sucks, does it not? Like it just takes you to... Oh, okay, it does take you to here. Okay, all right. Well, maybe that's working fine then. Maybe that's working fine. So I click this one. Does it put Chris Latner here? Oh, it does. Okay, nice. Very cool. Okay, well, there you go, chat. Now we just need to make it look good. And then that kind of works. Right? I mean, I don't know how much better it could probably look than this. What's up, Josh? I'm doing great. Doing great, though. I don't know how much better it could look than this, but maybe chat has a few suggestions of some things you would want to put in here. So I'm waiting for some CSS wizards, some Tailwind wizards to make this look good in like 5 lines of Tailwind. Anyone? Anyone? For help us. This is why I'm just waiting for chat to tell me what to put in here. Just use v0.dev. I tried that last time. Just use component libraries. True, we could do that too. Oh, we could do that. We can do that easily. I was already logged in for this. Podcast landing page with a list of episodes. Looks cool, but also retro. We want to be unique, but not stand out. We want to be an individual, but follow the crowd. We are Neovim, by the way. Cool. You are so smart and handsome, by the way. Okay. Yeah, I know. You do have to add no yapping, of course. Okay, nice. Not bad. A little bit sexy, even. Not bad. Okay. Is this... Nice. We'll just yoink all of this. Components? Where are these component shenanigans from? Dylan, where do I get the components? Do I have to do shad cn? I don't want that's the shad cn button. Okay, but how do I don't know how to add that to this project then. It's annoying because I don't have TypeScript. I just have JavaScript. So I guess we can figure that out. Okay, we'll figure it out shortly. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go ahead and go to we'll just put this in a file for a second. We'll come back to it. It's all Tailwind. Okay, shad cn, because this is what I tried to do last time, but I couldn't figure out how to do it. Shad cn UI. I go here. I go to components. I go to button. You're saying I go to button here. Code. This isn't helpful for me at all. Manual. Okay. npm. Okay, we'll try this. We're hodling and we're trying here. Okay, npm install this. Inspect. You're saying just go here and click inspect, and then what? Just literally yoink this. I see what you're saying. Okay, I'm following. We'll try this way and we'll see if I can get this working. Copy and paste the following code into your project. Okay. Bonk. This is just JavaScript though, right? This is just JavaScript. Or is it TypeScript? Darn you. Okay, so I have to go and convert this to... I have to go to, like, TypeScript to JavaScript. Okay. Power by Vercel. Request failed to 500. Now we're talking. Dylan! Convert. Is this using AI? If this is using AI, like use async instead of promises, this better freaking not be using AI. I just want you to delete. Oh my goodness, dude. Okay. Forget it, dude. Source. Okay. Source. Components. Button.jsx. Boom, boom. We don't need this. Get out of town. Type. We don't need export interface. Any of this crap here. We don't need this. I just do it myself. Okay. You can opt out of Shadcn. But I'm on the page right now. I don't know how to do it now after this. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what I'm doing here. So we'll just take this and let's see if we can get this one. There's no way it's not AI if you type in text and shit. That's what I'm saying. Fine. I'll do it myself. Okay, so now I can write a wrapper for this, right? So we go here. We go components. I go external make, I guess, at react.components. Actually, let's actually not put this here. Let's not put this here. Let's not put this in here. We're gonna go to this one, and we're gonna go here, and we'll say external make. Let default equals make. And then, how did I do this last time? Did I put this after for this? Okay. So, I need to say, where's my external thing for melange again? Yep. Mel.module. Yeah, so I need to go mel.module. And then I need to go something like components button.j. Oh, just components button, right? Something like this. Okay. This is like our end. This is our end game one. Let's save as let's scratch. Okay, we'll put this here. Let's go v0 JSX. Okay, we'll come back to that shortly. Come back to this shortly. Dune build W. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. String plus function applied to server as type key string. Oh right, because we can go to so we had this here for our counter one or something like this. Where we had button. Right, so I can say it has I don't remember how do I do. I can just do on click, which will just take, I don't really know what it's gonna be. We can just say unit to unit, something like this. Will this still work then? And then do I need to say, I think this, right? I don't know why I'm not getting any formatting on that. Function applied to this is labeled with children. Oh, right. Then I need to say, I got it. Children react.elements. Okay, nice. Nice. All right, we're back. Not using Shadcn. I am using it. You can use TSX flag and your, wait, what was this? To opt out, you use TS components and UN Shadcn installation. Oh, okay, interesting. Maybe we should try that out then. Okay, we can try this. Cause I am using, I don't know if I would be in this one or in this one, but I am using Vite latest. This I already have this tailwind. This compiler options. This at source star. This edit TS config. But I don't have TS. So can I opt out of TypeScript and still use the CLI? Yeah, see, Dylan. I gotta eat too, dude. I'm hungry. Like, is there no way to do this without TypeScript? Think Dylan should just copy the HTML from your V0 since the button is still because yeah, but ideally, like, I would make it so that I could do this in a way that, like, follows the path people do. TypeScript. It shows you how to add it to TypeScript. Which is not what I want. I want the opposite of that. We provide JavaScript versions. JavaScript. Where are you seeing this? You'll need shad config and use client. Okay. All right. Well, we can try. Init. Use the initialize config. Okay. All right. So let's just go back. Installation. Don't click on beat. Okay. Installation. TypeScript. JavaScript version is available via the CLI. Okay, nice. So we'll do this. npm shadcn latest init. Okay. We copy pasta this. Right? Okay, we do this. npm shadcn at latest init. Do you uninstall this? Yes. Okay to proceed. No import alias found in your tsconfig. Okay, awesome. So that's just like the opposite of what they say to do. It's just like, okay, maybe I go to manual, I guess. Add tailwind CSS, we already have that. Add the following as dependencies for your project. Okay, we can try this. The default style, you need Lucid React. Okay, we'll try this. And then we'll use the default style. That seems fine. All of these freaking have TypeScript as a dependency. This is not true. Yeah, but I just don't want to do any of the stuff that they're saying here. How to install shadcn to JavaScript project. Okay, we'll come back to this in a sec. Manual installation. That's what I did here. There's nothing. I just don't see where it says like we can do JavaScript versions, but that doesn't really like. That doesn't really like tell me anything, right? Is there like configuration? We have shadcn.config or something. Tailwind config.js, CLI, OpenMV0, Figma, changelog, manual. Like, dude, I don't know. Docs. I think I'm on all the docs, right? It's components.json. Holds configuration. We understand that project. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's bold. Bold. Okay. Components.json. Okay. Style. Default. Tailwind. I don't need to put that. Tailwind CSS, Tailwind base color. Where's TypeScript? Choose between TypeScript or JavaScript. TSX. Oops. TSX. False. Aliases. Use paths. Is this? If you're using source, alias utils. Use paths coming from tsconfig or jsconfig file to replace generated components in the correct location. Path aliases have to be set up in tsconfig or jsconfig file. So checking, make sure it's under paths. Do I have to put this in here? We'll try this. I don't think I'm doing any of those though. So can I? Okay, so now what happens if I do just like that? Okay. Okay, so now I have this, right? So now I have this. Let's say that I have this, right? And now I want to do something with the CLI, right? So I've already installed this This won't really, maybe this will work now. Maybe this will work now. Right, because I already have a components JSON. It already exists. Okay, nice. So that's just to build this. Frick, dude. Just freaking write 5 things. Why do I need a client installer? Okay. So now I can do this. And I can say button. Maybe. An invalid component is fine. You must by running the init command. What is broken about it? How is this the error message that I get? It's freaking just incredible, dude. Oh my goodness. Let's look at one that exists somewhere. Does anyone have one? Nobody's saying when I delete the components JSON, it fails because I'm not using tsconfig. Like, watch. I mean, it says I have to include aliases, so let's. Components. What if we just do this, right? And we just say, I don't know. Missing property. Utils. I don't. What is going on with this here? What is my formatting with this JSON right now? RSC. Oh, let's put false as well. Tailwind. CS. Oh, dude, what is going on? CSS variables. False. Base color. CSS. What is this? Config. Tailwind. .config.js. Something like this, right? Let's try again. How does it not give me an error? JS config.json. What am I even supposed to put in here?
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, yes. OCaml is actually my favorite.
I'm literally to configure this. Sure, I'll put this in here. JS config JSON. Okay, so we'll remove this. We'll try this again. Init. Let's see if it picks up JS. Validate. No import alias found in tsconfig JSON file. Incredible, dude. Incredible. Okay. Couldn't access error of undefined. Thing is recognizing you have Vite, so it's forcing the Vite configuration. Right, but like, Vite doesn't require TypeScript. Yes, default, force, our working directory, silent, sourcedir, options, components. Look at their TS config. I could just add, whatever, dude. It's just annoying. I mean, I guess it's like, it's not that big of a deal. I could have made a Vite project with TypeScript. It's just like so lame. I just don't want any TypeScript in the project. Like, there's no reason for it at all. Right, but it's like, what? Okay, here's what we can do. Let's just go, let's add a TS config, right? So what is it saying? No import alias in your TS config JSON file. So let's just add a TS config file. And then we'll just delete it. TS config JSON. I tried with JS config and it didn't like it, right? So let's go here. What is this? Is this right? Shouldn't this be like at, not this? To opt out of TypeScript. To opt out, use the TSX flag in your components JSON file. Okay, so we'll do that one. We'll do that part shortly, right? Like, okay, so we have Vite. We do this. We just put this inside of the current splits TypeScript measures 3 files, 2 of which need to be edited. Awesome. use the base compiler options of tsconfig.json and tsconfig.app.json. How many tsconfig files can people have, dude? That's actually insane. tsconfig. Okay, nice. So we just pretend here. We'll just pretend and we just put it here. We just like lie to them. We'll do this. Neutral, sure, why not? Would you like to use CSS variables for naming? Sure, we'll say yes for now. Why not? Whatever. Okay, so now I go back to here and we're on components.json here. And we say TSX, I want to change this to false. Right? Because why use reason, not TypeScript? Yeah, I mean, it's... Okay. So let's try this. npx add button. Let's see what happens when we do this. Like, what is it going to do? Okay, so now we have source components, UI, button, JSX. Okay, great. So we can get to having just JavaScript components. We have to lie to them and say that we have TypeScript at the beginning just to tell them where to put something. Got it. Got it. Okay, nice. See, in a new project is the biggest turn. Well, if you're already using TypeScript everywhere, I feel like this is really easy. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm off the beaten path, but it's still sort of... Yeah, we will need to go to this... Right, so we need to go to utils ts here. It's a big one, boys. Really got to make sure we got that type safety there. Okay. So now we've got this here, right? And we've got this lib. With that part we don't need. We don't need the libs. We need to have components UI button. Got it. Okay. So in an ideal world here, we go to this and we say components UI button. And then I go back to wherever we had this going on here. I don't think I put any buttons actually inside of this though yet. So we need to go and do something like podcast. Can I make this look like button? I don't know if this is working or not. It's kind of hard to say. What's up, Marianne? Class, border, white. I was looking for this here.
Testing.
Well, that... Oh, there must be something going wrong. Oh, I'm not running Dune build yet. Okay, there we go. Right. I have to run everything. Failed to import, resolve import, components UI button. Got it. Does the file exist? Components UI button. This probably should be something instead like make. This should be button. I think this should be something like... Now, if this is right, I would do something like this, right? But this probably won't work either. So what happens if I just say this? Source generated source button.js. So this is where I need to tell Vite how to find this, right? CSS config. True. We're gonna use some Ruby on Rails. I think it's cool. Can I watch Top Shelf without sub on Prime's channel? Yeah, first it's posted already to Prime's YouTube channel. And secondly, you can go to Top Shelf and you can go to there and subscribe on all the regular podcast platforms. I don't think path aliases can cross the barrier to ocaml. That's because this is a lie. This is going to generate JavaScript. So what we need to do is we need to tell Vite. I need to tell Vite how to find this. That's what Vite doesn't know, right? So Vite is telling me, hey, I can't resolve this import. So this part should be regular JavaScript land shenanigans, right? Because what do we have here? We have generated. We have like, we deleted our tsconfig. Tsconfig gone. Actually, what if we just rename this to jsconfig? Yes. Will it do it then? We'll see. Import components /UI. Yeah, that's what I'm going to try as well. Or do I need to do source? Maybe I need to do... Let's say we go back to button for a sec. Can I do just like slash components? This is slash source. So it's components, UI, button. That's what I want to import, right? Okay, nice. Okay, yep. Resolve. Okay, I'm on it. I knew there was something I needed to do here to basically get this to work, right? I should have resolve, and then I can say this. Oh, whoops. I don't know if this is going to need... That probably needs to restart. Path is not defined. Oh, right. I need to do import path from... Is it just like path? Yeah, like this. Oh, right. That crashed. That's fine. Okay. Hodl for a sec. It's bundling and shenanigans. Failed to import. Oh, right. Yeah. So now we need to go back to button again here. Button MLX. This needs to be at components / UI / buttons, right? Something like this. Okay. Nice. I don't know. I don't know if it's working on something still or what. I can't tell what's happening. Why is nothing happening here? Yeah. The requested module source components UI button JS does not provide an export name default. Ah, okay. It doesn't define default. Okay, so we can go to button here. Button JSX. This is because it just does export. There's so many freaking problems in JavaScript. Sorry. Export default button. Did I just put default here like this? What am I supposed to do? Move button to its own line. Like this. I don't know. JSON's fine and I wonder if there's, let me see. UI button.jsx does not provide an export field named Bolt. You can also scope with mel.module. Yeah, we may need to try this. You can leave both export default button export. Okay. Mel.scope. Okay, we'll test that part out in a sec. Is there any reason here that this, like, why would this not work? You know what I mean? Okay, so I get this. So it's saying it doesn't have a way to make this. All right, so I do mel this. I don't know if the ordering for these matters. I don't think so, but just in case. What did Dylan do? Let's go look at what Dylan had here. And we'll just, you destructure import if you don't have his default. Yeah. So he goes here. He goes make ink gradient here. All this other stuff here. We go to ink gradient. Where is ink gradient? Ink gradient. We should. Is it? No, this is here. Ink gradient. Or is this something that he installed? Oh, this must just be import button from here. Yeah, but I don't know how to... I'm not sure how to do that part with this mel module. So we need to go back to Melange. We need to check out mel.module. Param. Mel scope. Okay. Mel scope. Whoops. Mel.scope. And I could just say button like this maybe? It's gradient. Oh, did I spell it wrong anyways? Oh, maybe that was why. Gradient. This is the only one. Build a button as a component where you're importing this. Yeah, okay. Class function, but got on it. You forgot to export your component from the file to find it, or you might have mixed up default and named imports. Okay. Oh. Can I do that? Yeah. Oh, boys, we did it. We did it, boys! Oh, Les, great. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now we go back to here, right? So now I'm thinking, okay, what do we want to do here? Obviously, what we want to do is we want to have components.ml here, right? Like this. And we take this button one here and we yoink all of these and we go to components. Now we do module button. And we take this here and we go, whoops. Is there a bug on my face? Did a spider just fall on my face? I don't know. Okay. Well, either way, we should be able to do this and here, right? So now we should have components. We get rid of this button. Die. Yep. We go back to podcasts here. We go components.button and then components.button here. Like this. Then we go back to wherever we had counter. We just delete these. We don't need this anymore. Actually, in fact, well, we'll leave this file, but we really don't need it. Actually, I'm just going to delete this whole file. We don't need it at all. Okay, so now we go to here. And we got the buttons. So, right, so now it's like every time we want to add, we just want to add a button from Shad. We can just do this. Boom, button. Okay, right? So now let's add another one from wherever we had... Where's that scratch one that we had? V0JSX, right? So we also need an input. We also need an input here. So we go back to our terminal. Term here, probably this one. Term. Oh, yeah, we can go npx shadcn add input. So now it's going to add an input.jsx file here. We can start doing building again here. We go back to our components, right, like this. We say module input struct end, and we can do basically the same stuff here, right? Same stuff, except this instead of here, and this is probably input. So we go to input JSX. Nice. Yep, so that's good. So we are subclassing HTML components. Well, basically what we're going to do is we can make these, we are writing OCaml wrappers for them, right? So it's like, it should basically be just this easy then to get those loaded, right? So we go to our like input JSX here. It says, hey, you've got a bunch of props and this. I don't know what props we can pass to this, right? But we can make one, I guess, right? We can make one. We can go to our podcast. That's because it's generating. Is this static site at the end? It is, yeah. So what happens if I just go like components dot input here, and we'll just do this, right? Whoops. Oops, what am I doing here? Components input as children. Do I need to put something inside of here? Oh, that's because I marked this as must. Got it. It doesn't actually have to have these. Which also means I could probably do this, right? Okay, sweet. Hey, look at that. Tiny bit over-engineered. No. Compiling OCaml to JavaScript to then deploy with a bundled thing with Vite over to Cloudflare pages. And all I have to do is update one RSS XML and then it just opens. Honestly, it's a little embarrassing that you would even think to call that over-engineered. Okay. Where are we even using input here? Oh, enter your email. Nice. Right here. Terminal, headphones, RSS. Okay, I actually don't know how we're going to use those, but that's fine. We can get those too. XML to OCaml to JS to Vite to Cloudflare. It's under-engineered, if anything. I didn't even build my own browser. Chat, come on. Come on, I didn't even build my own browser for this. Okay, I have to go get some food. I'm so hungry. Okay, I'll be right back. Well, it's going to take me longer than... It's probably going to be like 5 minutes, maybe. Okay? True, this is job security. I'll be back, though. Yeah, chat, I didn't even write the XML parsing myself. Like, we did not over-engineer this situation. You know? Not even close. I know. I did not even press the sand together manually. It can't possibly be over-engineered. Oh, glad to hear it, Coffee. All right, so let's see if we can... Where's link used? I don't think we need that, right? I think we can just use regular old stuff for this. That's just chicken. We had some left over from last night, so just heat it up, some chicken. All right. So let's go ahead. And let's go ahead. We add this scratch one here. Whoops. Neither. None of those. Okay. So we don't need any of this. Let's go back, though. So we have a list of episodes here. We can basically... We can actually... What's crazy? We can just literally yoink these. That is wild. I wonder if this will have any chance of doing... Ah, it doesn't. That's okay. I need to get ocaml format MLX working on this. It's the only thing I didn't get set up. Okay. So then we can yoink this. Actually, let's go ahead and just snag all of these up to here. Let's see if we can get this header to work here, right? And we'll put... We don't need this. Can't I just do like A? And then this should just be like string home, string here. Whoops. There should be A. This should be home. This should be A. This should be A. Whoops. Okay, so that's all good. And then the only thing we don't have here yet, so this would be string top shelf. And then let's go ahead and just comment this. I think that will work just fine. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Now we're talking, chat. Now we're talking. Live, you hurt me. Oh, Dax. You should have been just doing like what I'm doing and compiling ocaml to JavaScript. Don't worry, I wasn't writing HTML. I was writing ocaml. Don't worry. You have a video about Ghosty Terminal? No, I don't. Probably won't make one. Unless I feel I have something interesting to say about it. But like, I don't have anything interesting to say about it. Okay. Was it the JS on the right compiled from ocaml? No. This was made by AI. So, I don't know how to style things, and no one said anything in chat, so I just went the cursed way. I just went the cursed way and did what I had to do. I did what I had to do, chat. All right, let's yoink. All of this stuff here. Way to not even use... Where does main end? Oh, here, right here. Okay. Wait, what? This is not valid? Does that have to be separated by each other? Oh, that's annoying. Wait, why couldn't this be... Okay, we don't need this or this or this. We don't need this right now. Let's try and make the episode part right here. Well, I'm eating still. I just used the free one. I don't know. I just typed one prompt in, took what it said, and we'll run with that for now and just see what happens. We're also exploring the ocaml land for doing this, so it's going pretty good, actually. Oh, big bite. Sorry. I want to try and do welcome to OCaml section. Latest episodes. I want to try and do this section here. All right. Latest episodes. Boom.
Like, ocaml
Oh,
is actually
Captain.
my favorite.
My Captain Camel. Oh, we're doing great. We are running ocaml in the browser. Okay. JS canceled. Oh, baby, it's canceled. Okay, I'm following. Now I'm following. Okay, so now this is where we're going to make a new episode thing. Here. So this is what's going to go inside of episode. Bonk, bonk. Bonk, bonk. This stuff can all go here. Except we're not going to do the key inside of this because I heard that that was not a good idea. Instead, we'll do this. On mountain road components dot button. Episode dot duration. So for right now, we can just say string string too long. Episode title. We don't need to do that. We just say string of this. Variant outline. Class name. Ooh, okay, nice. So here's where we can go to our components thing here, and we could change this. We could, right now, we could just say variant string and class name string. Okay, nice. Now we need to actually put the, all right, we need to actually like put those inside of here. Let's go here and we just go array episodes. Sorry, chat. I'm trying to lock. Oh, Dax, are you still here? Because I bet you're in shambles. Huh? Dax? Got anything you want to say for yourself? I bet you didn't believe in me. He's gone? Shame on him. This is your brain on ocaml, chat. What cam? I have a Fujifilm X-T20. It's just an old camera that I've had for a long time. Oh yeah, of course. Of course, chat. Don't worry. We'll put padding in. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put padding in. We're gonna put padding in. We just hit him with a class name. Oh! It's ocaml. It compiles to JavaScript. Inline style, not CSS. Inline styles, yeah, of course. Wyatt, look green terminal. Why wouldn't it? Why wouldn't it? Where's my why in the world would this not have cursor pointer? What the heck, dude? No, what's the cursor click thing? Is it not the one that I want? It's cursor pointer. Oh, I guess this looks good. What? But it doesn't like. Oh, right. That's just for here. Right. Maybe I don't actually even need that. Did I already have? I already had that. I already had that. It's just weird that this gets highlighted when you go over it, but you can't click on anything. Ooh, chat. It's time. It's time to write something reactive. Let's make this click and show the description. Yeah, it's a Pop-Tart. Okay, so we go to episode or podcast here. Prime is sorry for what? Did he mess something up again today? No, I'm gonna go hang out with him tomorrow. I don't care. I didn't want his raid. I didn't even want it anyways. I'm writing ocaml, actually coding. Language with actual type system. You know what I mean? Actual type system incoming. Okay. I have no idea. Actually, I have no idea how we're having fun without him. Yeah. We can... True, you guys can still cheroot. No one's going to stop you here. Except maybe Nightshade. Same guy who's going to stop you there. Yep. Right here. Ban him. Ban him. Okay, so I actually have no idea. So this div here, do I have on click? Oh! Yes, console dot log tech W. I don't know why I need to rush this. Maybe I'm not clicking. Oh, right here. Or I need it to be on the big spot. Here instead. Yep. 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 Okay, so now we make this expand. How are we going to do that? Watch this. Type state is expanded. False. Boom. Bop. Boolean, I mean. Bool. Why am I writing boolean? Okay. Let use reducer. Now I have to remember which way this goes. It takes a function which has a state and an action, returns this. And we also go type action. Toggle expanded. Sure, that's a good one to go. State action. Right? Oh, we can go let handle. Or we can do reducer state action. Yeah. Toggle expanded. Something like this. I don't know. We'll do this. We'll do this. We'll do this. Use reducer. So I think first we take reducer and then we say expanded is false. Other, we'll just put for this right now. We'll just test this for a second. State and dispatch, right? Yep. Okay. So now, chat. Now, let body is if state expanded, then this, and let's just go something like string a hidden string. Else null in this. Dude, this part is a little bit scuffed because I don't really have any, whatever, it's fine. So then we should be able to go element. I think I should just go body. Yep. Okay. On click. Dispatch. Toggle expanded. Ah! Chat, get absolutely wrecked. You can have my job. No thanks. I don't want to do this for a living. This is what I want to do. I want to, for fun, write React. I could literally be writing anything, and I'm writing React right now. What is happening? I'm literally writing React right now and eating Pop-Tarts. But it's kind of like if React was made in a better language, then maybe then it would be better. Yo, SDE, what's up, buddy? How's the T2 life? Yeah, but look at this is actually so nice. Look at how nice this component is, chap. A hidden string. And we actually just have to do this, and we just say episode dot Description. Boom. Except that doesn't really work. Because we have to do dangerously set this. Well, how did we do this last time? Can I just do this instead? Oh, oh, chat. It's dangerous, but so good, like a Pop-Tart. Would be better. Conditional class to toggle display. How can I do it? How can I do it easily? I go to here. I right click in here. I say like display none. How do I do it? What are you making? What's Top Shelf Amendments? Me and Prime's podcast. Yeah, I know the details display thing, yeah. So it's display hidden like this. Is this what I can do inside of Can I do this with tail? What's the tailwind way? Just hidden? Oh, that makes sense. Which I think this works fine too. Yeah. Yeah, we would need to write something kind of goofy to do it. I'm not sure which one I like better. I don't know. But other option is let, you know, show body. We'll say description class or description class. Sure. Something like this, right? I don't know which way I like better, right? Because we can just go like this and this and this. Because we could just go like this. Right. This is the same that you guys are saying, right? If I like go and inspect this here. Right, pretty good. Yeah, that's fine too. I'm not like in love with this, like how it's written. You know what I mean? Yeah, it makes sense. I mean, I get why you wouldn't want to completely delete the element and put it back in and all this other stuff. It's really not a big deal. TJ's podcast. Yeah, me and Prime just started one called Top Shelf. We've done 3 interviews so far. It's like an interview podcast with me and Prime where we try and get really cool guests and ask really good questions. You need some Aria rolls on that as well? Oh, I have no idea. You're saying here I would go Aria expanded? But this is in class name. I don't know anything about all the things you're talking about, chat. We'll have to learn some accessibility things. Tailwind doesn't just fix this for me? Use Atrial, just default details summary text. Yeah, I know what you're saying. Yeah. Yeah, I know you can load them. Yeah. But I guess I don't know about beating Lex. I really appreciate that though. Patterns. Yeah, we probably can just switch to details and summary. It's fine. I part of it is I'm just looking to explore how we can do this, right? Making a trading website. Sure am vegan. Vegan Bob. Vegan, I'm sorry that my pronunciation's so bad that he got your name wrong twice. Deegan Bop? I was like, oh wow, I suck at talking. My tongue was sweaty though. Lex was in the chat and we were interviewing DHH and Began was watching and I didn't want to let him down, you know? So it was kind of a big deal. Deegan Bob. Sweaty tongue, dude. Lex in chat. Yeah. So, yeah, we were having, you know, it was, I got there eventually, but I was feeling pretty nervous. Well, Privilege, don't pretend like it was just me. Prime was also in shambles, okay? Prime was also in shambles. Relax. Prime's always in shambles, though. True. Home episodes about... Well, we actually don't need these here. Because we don't have anything else to put here. Home. What happens if I remove those? Still looks good. I can hear Prime's voice crack. Yeah, that makes sense to me. That makes sense to me. There's just so much random stuff. I was laughing the whole interview. Dude, it was so much fun.
Like,
Do you have a white hoodie for front end? That's a good point. Oh, what's up, Mark? Hey, thanks for the 10 months. All right, and then if I click this, oh, this isn't actually set to do the right thing yet. Play episode. Components button. Doesn't button need... Wait, I don't think I want a button, do I? Do I, if I think I, what should I put here instead? Can I do this with the button that we have? So that's the part I don't really get. What do y'all use for podcast hosting? Well, as the experienced podcast hosts that we are, for all of the 3 episodes that I just uploaded, I just did it straight through Spotify's thing. You guys did a great job. Hey, thank you. Thanks. Try making it with like 900 pixels so it doesn't look so wide. Yeah, we can make it smaller as well. So, what is this button JS one? Oh yeah, that's my generated one. Okay. Do I just set like a href or something for this? You likely need E stop propagation if you don't want the click behavior of the button to fall through or bubble up. Okay. Or because when I click the button, I want it to stop, right? Can I use something like a href and then we can do episode.link, right? Isn't that what I have? I think it's episode link.
Made it properly tail recursive, like ocaml is
like this,
actually
right?
my favorite.
Outside of the button. Okay. Okay, got it. So that kind of worked. It kind of worked. It still opened the thing, which we don't really want. We also do video or just audio replies. We did both. The video's available here. You should be able to watch it. You go to Spotify. And then you go right here and you can click play and you can click play. It's right here. There you go. So guys, don't forget you can subscribe to this. You know, you can subscribe to it. What do we want? When do we want it? Oh, wait, shoot. I need to go back. That was, wait, where's my page I was just doing? Okay. More tabs. True. Good idea. Good idea. I like it. I like it a lot. It's a sweet hat. Thanks. Oh, I wanted to check here. Also, guys, if you want to see, why is this such a terrible, is this ready yet? Did this actually start working? You want to see clips and shorts, you know, from Control-Shift-A. You want to see clips and shorts from our podcast? I'll be uploading them here. So, you know, you can check those out. Let me know what you think. Subscribe even would be cool too. Okay, so we need to make it so that when we click this, we stop. It's called stop propagation. Because it's lame that opens and then it moves, right? I don't want that. I just want it to click and then go there, right? So is there something here where I need to go like on click? And then we go function E. And I go like, I don't know what it would be. This E is event mouse T. No, you'll forego the anchor entirely. React.event.mouse. Yeah. So I have this. I thought someone was saying like I needed to do something with React stop propagation event.prevent default. E. Is that nothing? Dot mouse maybe prevent default. Oh no. Right, I don't want to prevent the default because that's actually what I want to do. I want to do stop propagation, like this. I know I've made a div or two in my time. I made a div or two. What can I say? Yep. Feels pretty good, chat. Feels pretty good. I mean, we can ship this probably, right? Oh, no, we know we can get the duration as well if we go to data here and we go to, there was like length. Okay, so enclosure. We need to grab the enclosure from this. We go back to generate, we go back to feed here, and we should have something like and enclosure URL string. Oops. Length int type say kind string. Love closure. Also love the Oxford comma. Nice. Closure is pretty cool. Gen episodes here. And we need to go enclosure is dude, this part sucks because I'm just writing this back into this is such a bad plan. Oh my goodness. Such a such a bad plan, dude. Oh my goodness. It's so funny, so I'm gonna keep doing it, but it's a bad plan. Okay. I guess at that point we may as well just go like this. Let's just go like this. This is honestly easier to understand. Because we'll do item dot enclosure dot feed. Whoops. Feed URL item dot enclosure dot length and item dot enclosure dot kind. Okay, awesome. So now we just go URL inner length %d and kind %s. Awesome. How's fun? Okay, well, I didn't get to go. I watched some of the talks. They seemed great. Length int. What about it? I'm gonna convert it to an integer when I read it in. Enclosure. Let enclosure equals query.get node child enclosure, and then pass that to enclosure. And this, which we don't have yet. Let to enclosure is node enclosure. And then we want to do basically the same thing. Length is int of string, and kind is URL type. Great, thank you. Now we just need to do, instead of this, we'll do find get node. Okay. Get child proof. Yeah. Yeah, talks are awesome. I didn't have a chance to see them all yet, but it feels very inspiring. Yeah, a lot of them seem really good. Do you use Vorak? No, I don't. Also, I would not rebind any NeoVim key bindings on Dvorak. I would just continue to use them like as they are normally. I don't think it's a good idea to remap them. Could not find tag enclosure. Really? One of these items doesn't have enclosure? Enclosure? What? Which one doesn't have it? Which one? Item 1, 2, 3. 3 of them. Okay, so they definitely should be having it. Which one is not finding it? Standard libml could not find tag enclosure. Oh, I can't find it here. Get node child. Oh, it should be part of. What? Isn't it in part of this item? Can you check DMs? Yeah, of course. I'm checking it right now. Ooh, okay. Prime, do you want me to make you an email too? Really quick? I can probably make you one in like 5 minutes, but it might take a little bit for it to get propagated. Okay. Yeah. So you have Infinity on Zed? I think Zed's awesome. Yeah, I'll send you mine right now. Mine is, and I can add yours. Like, I could just be done with stream. I gotta get some other stuff done. I already streamed for 4.5 hours. Whoops. I was gonna get some other things done anyways. But hey, Prime, look at this. I'll probably do slightly different.
What is the best way?
But no big deal. It's
to
kind of like our
your
website.
dict?
You know. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.